Okay, today we are doing the backyard. This is the new project. Got done with the garage. Now time to spiffy up the backyard. As you can see, not much grows back here, partially because of this here hot tub. Has a lot of bromide in it. But anyway, it's going to be a long project, but we can kind of run down what we're going to do and see how it turns out. So first thing is along the porch here, we're going to add this edging, fill it with nice granite, and have these stones going all the way down. We're going to get rid of these round stones. This is all going to be filled in with granite here. And on the inside of this edging, all the way down to the corner and to the other side of the yard, we're going to have mulch. Then we get to behind the shed. This is going to be granite. There'll be edging along this line here. The pad where the barbecue pit is going to be granite with some masonry for it to sit on, and then the edging concludes right there. We grow grass pretty good here, so we're going to go ahead and inside of all of the edging, we're going to go ahead and apply sod. I'm going to move a little material from this high spot. Try to get this done before it gets too hot. A little more backyard appeal to the house. My little walkway here came out pretty good. Not perfect, but it's just landscaping. I had to repair one of the pavers right there with I used some JB Weld and some construction adhesive, and as that shiny part weathers, it'll be pretty good. As long as no one steps on that corner, it'll be fine. Got all my granite here. We haven't brought in the mulch yet for behind here. Now you can see where the edging goes. All going to be filled in with mulch right here as well. And then if you move over to the shed, I had to do some repairs along the bottom here. Use a 6-inch strip of siding that I had because the bottom was all torn up from weed eaters and rodents trying to get in. And had to redo the edging here as well. It's that all painted up, it'll look good. Next we're going to clean all this out, and that's going to be granite in there. And then I can put my smoker back, and then when that's all done, then we get on to the rest of the sod we're putting around the fire pit and the rest of the lawn here. Anyway, work in progress. Okay, quick update. We've had a lot of rain, so it slowed me down a little bit on this project. But as you can see, we got all the edging and granite in. We started getting in our black mulch. You know, I had some kids do this, and I have to come up behind them and level it out a little bit. But they did a pretty good job, having never, dumped 10 bags of mulch before. Okay, the peppers are in. I had to put some landmines in there because of the squirrels. It's been working out pretty good. A few were tripped the first day or so, and now I don't see any tripped, and I don't see any holes, or my plants not dug up, so that's good. Other plants are doing well. These peppers came in, and some basil was added here. Again, doing really well. And we still got mulch all through this part we got to add over time. And then when we're done, we're going to add sod in all around here. Coming together very nicely. And crepe myrtles in great bloom. Continuing our backyard project, we got the repairs done on the shed in the front, and I'm going to add this brick. Keep the weed eater off it. Got the back side here just caulked in today, and then we're going to get this painted up Went ahead and power washed this, got all the mold and mildew off, and trim is getting ready to be caulked in here real soon, and on we go. Okay, as you can see, we got the rest of the mulch in. We're starting to backfill some potted plants. And of course we have our troughs here, our chili piquin, native chili piquin, and some roses. Hopefully will get bigger. Last thing we're gonna put in is some grass. Cher's done such a great job back here, keeping these plants alive, getting the St. Augustine to come in, and of course the jungle here. Okay, it is almost done back here. As you can see, we've got the grass in, and it's looking really good. The granite and the pavers, can't beat it. Still got to get leaves out of this mulch, but it looks a lot better.